Hey everybody, week number 7. We're almost at the 2-month mark. Just wanted to give you an update on the fall garden. Here's the elevated box. Haven't done much of an update on it. Radishes and corn, the radishes and the carrots, mini carrots, slowly coming in, but not really taking shape like I had expected. Might be something that I'm doing wrong, or just the way that system is set up. Got the ranch hands out here with me. But the larger fall gardens are coming in, as you can see. Lettuce right there in the middle is going good. Tomato plants are really getting some height to them. We're seeing some more peppers sprout and bud. I need to find out why the leaves are wilting. I have been cutting back on the watering, not trying to water too much, so I'm not sure if it's overwatering or underwatering. Gotta look into that. But we are getting some bell peppers. But look at this. Look at the corn. We are getting ears of corn on there. Sorry. Got the plane buzzing us. But yeah, the corn's growing. String beans. The regular beans. Cucumbers. I've got some 7 dust on there. But we're getting some buds on the cucumbers. I hope they produce. But yeah, that's, again, everything's just kind of progressing. Even got some lettuce underneath the tomato plant there. But yeah, I need to go ahead and harvest that lettuce there and make a salad. But yeah, that's where we're at. Thanks for stopping in on the channel. I appreciate your time. And leave me some comments on suggestions on what I can do. This is our first fall garden. And always encourage and look forward to helpful tips. Y'all have a great day.